Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into the portfolio, looking at the dividends, all of the income, the total performance, and the changes and the buys of the day because we did get paid out today. A bunch of our funds paid. So we're going to look at everything. But first, guys, as always, nothing here is financial advice. And if you could do me a big favor, hit that like button. I would really, really appreciate it. So what we're looking at here is the front screen of the Snowball Analytics app. This is my portfolio on the app. So you can see the current value, the total profit, daily changes, all of that stuff. This last month or so, things have been just swinging like crazy. My portfolio value touched like 570. It went up past 600. Things have just been swinging like crazy. But shout out to More Sugar Trader 2744, always reminding me focus on the dividends and the income, not just the value. So been really trying to do that. And the income has been stable. Nothing really has changed for the most part. We can see here everything that's been paid out. USCL did reduce their distribution just a little bit. So it was 24 and a half. They just dropped it to 24. I think that, that cut out about 20 or 30 bucks a month out of my dividends, but not a big deal. HHIS coming through strong with 2,300. HYLD, we're closing on $1,000 a month. HDIV, I am trying to build that position up as well. C-Day, ENCC, Q-Day, and my Bitcoin position, BCC, all paid out. For some reason, this app thinks that BCC pays weekly. It is actually a bi-monthly payer, so that does skew my income a little bit, but I don't know, by like 75 bucks or something. If I could change it, I would, but I don't think I can. So what we're waiting on is Canoe EIT, another payment from BCC, and then another payment from Q-Day and C-Day. Those will pay out later this month. Now, if we go into the portfolio, guys, you can see here, we'll actually change it by total profit, see how things are doing. Canoe EIT still absolutely ripping up close towards that $17 price range. Really nice to see. I actually haven't bought any Canoe for a while. You guys can see the last time I bought it was back in June. I've just been taking those dividends and putting them into other things. The price point on Canoe is just, we'll see where it goes. It's been going very, very nicely. Same with HDIV. I'm still buying steady into HDIV, as you guys can see here. And then USCL doing okay. Price is coming back. We're back up over 23. I bought some USCL today. What's the price? Yeah, my cost per share still in the 23.20s. So average down a little bit on that. Bought an HYLD and C-Day. So ENCC actually coming back pretty strong as well. I did buy a little bit of that today, but Q-Day is down. BCC, I'm still down. And HHIS, HHIS, the price took a hit, but I did buy some today. So we'll actually take a look at the buys. So if you guys are interested in what I bought in some HHIS, some Q-Day, HYLD. You'll notice I bought a lot of Q-Day, and there's a couple of reasons for that. The first reason is, guys, that Q-Day is actually trading below my cost basis. And the other thing is Q-Day, if we look on the Hamilton ETFs website, they actually traded out XLK for QMVP. You can see it here. So QMVP is their own in-house technology index ETF. So what I'm thinking is this should streamline things. Maybe this will help their distributions or their performance. Either way, it's not a bad time for me to buy Q-Day because it's down below my cost basis. So you can see here I had multiple different buys of Q-Day today throughout the day. As distributions came in, I kind of bought in throughout the day. Bought a little bit of ENCC for the first time in a bit, just 5.3 shares. I did pick up 23 shares of HDIV, and then in my tax-free savings, I bought 140 shares of HHIS. So we can see here that that did bump up my dividends for next month. We're sitting at 75.24. Next month is a lot closer to that 7,600. By the time the rest of these distributions roll through this month, we'll be probably over that 7,600. But like I said, guys, Q-Day, really kind of try to focus on that today because the price is trading at 24.16 and my average cost on Q day is 25.30. So that's what I focused on today, guys. But yeah, this was pretty much how the portfolio has been doing. Lots of big swings up and down. But as I can show you guys, the income has been for the most part very, very stable and consistent. I'm really not too worried about any of these. USCL, I've been keeping a little bit of a closer eye on it, but I don't expect any large swings. I mean, 24 to 25 cents. It's within a penny per share, but when you have thousands and thousands of shares, it can make a bit of an impact on your portfolio. But I mean, between 25 to 50 or even $100 a month, we've got to account for these things with these higher yields, right? So what you're looking at here, guys, annual income is coming in at just over 91,000 between all of these different funds, and that accounts for about $7,500 a month from my current value sitting at just under $600,000 on this portfolio. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave me a like, leave me a comment. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe because we go over stock market updates, go over different funds, high yield investments all the time here on this channel. Anyways, guys, I hope everybody has a great weekend out there. Stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.